Hi, I'm Desirae.
And I'm Savannah.
Together we're Savannah and you're watching Des and Sa. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so since me and Savannah are such last-minute planners, we literally just planned to go to Goodwill today and do our long planned for thrifting and transformation video. She worked like overnight today, so she's working until 6 a.m. and right now it's like 5. I haven't slept at all, but I'm gonna go pick her up at 6. If Savannah's tired, then I'll let her sleep. Maybe it'll go well, maybe it won't. We don't know what's gonna be there or how many people are gonna be there. It's half off day, that's why we decided to go. I'm very excited to see what gems we can find. I'll see you guys when I'm with Savannah.
She didn't let me sleep.
Goodwill, baby.
Alright, so I'm at Goodwill. I think we already established that. Everyone keeps commenting on my blanket that I have. It's freaking cold. I'm an Arizonian. I'm not used to this cold weather. I feel like people are low-key judging.
Do you want to get this?
She scared the shit out of me. I'm supposed to be looking for pants, but honestly, I don't really know what I'm looking for. Kind of being forced here against my will by Desirae. She's not gonna know that I said that until she edits this, but...
Wait, I want to find that shirt again. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Bam.
That's the worst thing I've ever seen in my life.
These are all ugly, so.
Wow, this is crazy. Deep, 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 deep. I feel like I'd want a disco in it, to be honest.
It looks really fun.
It does.
I picked this out for Savannah.
Do you think it looked good on me?
Yeah, I think it's really cute.
Okay.
We just tried on all of our clothes and then picked out our favorites.
Yes. Sadly, this one didn't make it.
Yeah.
But it was very bootylicious, not gonna lie. I also want to say, why is it so foreign for people to walk around with blankets? I came in the store with this blanket. I was like, Desirae, should I bring this to the store? Because what if it's weird? She's like, we're going to Goodwill, girl. And I was like, yeah, you're right. I walk in and someone's like, oh, you're cold? And I was like, yeah. And then like I start walking by and someone else was like, oh, I like your coat. I'm like, bitch.
I know. And she paused it. She's like, I like your coat.
I was like, what? Okay, so our dog.
Can you see her?
I don't know.
You can probably see her nose now. You really said our dog.
Yeah. We're afraid that she's going to tip over the setup we have here.
The whole setup.
And if she does, we're going to have to give her up for
really
adoption.
Screwed. Oh my.
Go on, leave. Go.
Oh, I haven't slept in like...
It's been more than 24 hours.
Oh, great.
I just woke up.
We got back a while ago from shopping at Goodwill, and we have all of our clothes that we picked out, and now we're going to show you them. So,
yeah.
I ended up getting 5 things, and then Savannah ended up getting 3 things. The first thing that I got was these shorts. They're Levi.
It's weird because when she picked these out, she was just like, this one. And she pulled it out of nowhere, and I was like, what?
I really just saw it from far away, and I was
That's like the only thing I remember. I was so tired.
But yes, these were like sticking out to me, and I thought they were adorable once I saw them. They have a nice butt, and they're a little long, so I'm actually going to roll them once and then hot glue them. It looks a little weird rolled down. I mean, it's not like that bad, but if I roll it up twice, it's a little too short.
So one of the items, actually Desirae picked this out, and I remember seeing it, and I was like, oh my god, I love this. But it's just a big sweater, oversized sweater.
Attica.
We saw a few like this, but this one was actually honestly the cutest one. But
I think the material was the best too. Like the other ones, they were kind of cheap material.
But I think this would be like really cute with like knee-high boots. You could wear leggings.
The next thing I got was this white turtleneck. The neck of it comes up really high, as you can see. It's really, really, really soft. Like I put it on and I was like, yes, I could stay in it all the time. But the turtleneck was just a little annoying. So I think I'm gonna roll it down like twice. I liked this from when I put it on, and I thought it would be really cute cropped. So
I guess I do have a theme because literally all my clothes are baggy, and I feel like all Desiree's clothes are actually fitted. I got these pants. They kind of remind me of like a
hobo.
Yeah, and I love it. Like baggy, because you know they're always like wearing baggy clothes. I feel like.
Yeah, because it's comfy.
The waist is kind of like a little tight.
It's like
tighter
cinched.
than the.
And then there's like pockets. Like you can wear them out without people being like, those are pajama pants.
Look at this.
People are gonna be like, that is the ugliest thing.
I think it's like so beautiful. I'm like, this is the most beautiful
Look
thing I've
at
ever
it.
seen.
It's so beautiful.
I'm like, it's so cute. It looks like your grandma's
no, but seriously,
rug.
I honestly love them.
Yeah.
We're like just justifying our fashion choices.
You could think this is ugly, whatever. But I'm gonna make it look cute. And then you guys are gonna want to get it.
I found this skirt and it's like suede. It's really nice quality. I thought it would be like thin. Like I thought I would put it on and I could see my underwear through it. But honestly, it's pretty nice. It's like on the brink of not fitting me, but it fits me fine.
So I got some just jeans and they look really ugly when they're just out like this, to be honest. But when you have a belt with it,
When you roll them up.
I have such good luck when it comes to finding boyfriend jeans at Goodwill. I do see a lot of people wearing like the ones from stores and stuff like that, but like they all like look the same and mine's just look a little bit more unique.
My next thing is some Kim Possible pants. Oh my god, I don't know why I love these so much. I think it's just because of the fit. But like, I mean, I saw it on the hanger and I was like, yes, I actually kind of love
Well,
this.
I saw on the hanger and I was like, I can make this work. And then it was a joke. And then Desiree was like, wow, you really could. And then I was like, those are too small. And then she ended up trying them on for herself because I refused to. And then she fell in love with them.
I freaking love them. Like, they fit my waist and then they make me look all curvy and hourglassy and I love them. It's made for hips and I love it. And then I have another one because I have
This one's a gem.
2 more than Savannah. Like, okay, bear with me.
Let's be open-minded here.
I honestly think this is so cute. When it's on, it's definitely cuter. Maybe you get my drift, but the neckline, it's like nice. It like goes to the end of your shoulders. It's like that nice like 90s kind of neckline.
It's so nice. It's like the pattern's not boring.
And it's like textured too.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It says Zara.
You get like a solid color like pants, like, and it just like looks like, you know, fashion.
Yeah. Now we're gonna show you guys the transformation clips, how we styled the clothes that we bought, and how we basically made them look good. If you pair them with ugly items, I feel like they'll look really ugly. Like, it'll look like they have no hope. Honestly, when you see these things on the hanger, I feel like people just walk right past. They're like, what the hell is that?
Especially that shirt.
Just because it's at a thrift store, though.
Alright guys, I hope you liked our style, what is it?
Our makeover transformation style good.
Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did,
Okay, bye!
make sure to flick that like button.
And flick that subscribe button.
And we will see you guys next time.
Next time.